What is good, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing great. I'm in a good mood like always, and I hope I can motivate you to make some music right now. So make sure to grab your laptop while watching the video. I ate some pretty nice spaghetti. I made it myself, and I'm like super turned up to make some beats. So let's just dive right into it. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, join the family, join the community, you feel me? Other than that, let's go. I think I want to make like something smooth and wavy, so let's just search for like a nice sound. Let's transpose these notes, see how that sounds. Let's pitch up the melody. So I'm gonna show you how to make this ARP sound inside of XPAND. It's really simple. Head over to bells and then wavetable 2. And what you do is click on ARP and then on, and then mess around with these. So I'm gonna listen to it. So I just want the arpeggiator to go up, and this is the rate, like how fast you want the arpeggiator to go. Let's say I put this on 32. The arpeggiator is going to play really fast. I think 8 is like fast enough, and then I'm going to layer this with another bell. You can add maybe the bright bells and then also arpeggiator. You can even like mess around with it. You got like different modes on like how you want the arpeggiator to go. You can like really get creative with this and mess around with it. Just play it with the keys and add some effects to it and like blend it together. This is not the final sample. I know we're about to flip it in something crazy, so don't run away yet. Wait until the end. Like, it's sounding a little bit boring right now, but trust me, trust me. Wow, that sound is fire. Let me just like add this for some extra texture. I think last but not least, I want to add like a vocal to like spice it up a little bit more. Okay, I'm gonna try. Whoa. Okay, I'm gonna try and add a vocal to it. Something really like something like that, really smooth sounding. So I'm gonna go ahead and dive right into it, and don't be afraid to like experiment with different sounds and using your like your own voice, because you can always like fix it later. So don't be afraid, try new things. I'm really encourage you to do so. So all right, here we go. Tell me you love me, I'll be waiting. Oh, tell me what you need. I can be there, I can be there. Oh, just like some random vocals, you feel me? I'm gonna try and fix it right now with some little auto tune and stuff. So tell me you love me, I'll be waiting. Okay, so now that we have the full melody, let's add the drums. I'll maybe try to flip the melody or either leave it this way, but I think it's sounding super wavy, super nice. So let's just continue. Damn, turn up! Like, this beat is crazy. I can definitely hear like a PLAYBOI CARTI slash PIERRE BOURNE type of vibe on this. CARTI just like sleep, yeah, sleep, like something like that. Really, like the melody is like really playful. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you especially learned from this video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. This was like a fire, luscious and wavy cook up using XPAND only. So I hope you definitely learn from this. Make sure to follow me on Instagram @ScanoBeats, and thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.